On this episode, we are going to introduce to you all the tool graveyard.
Why have we got masks, hoods on, and why are we driving with the windows open?
I don't think anybody likes you, and I'm convinced he gave it me.
The government has now decided that we can travel in the same vehicle together.
At least you're dressed up as well then.
But we can't look at each other.
Okay, hang on.
And we have to have the windows open for the whole journey.
Well, he
That's
has
good,
done a
mate.
cracking piece of Lady Gaga, Madonna, and Harry Potter. Absolutely.
As I only power stretch my carpets, I very much doubt I borrowed your knee kicker.
The last video I said I would never power stretch my carpets.
Yeah, I'm just proving that you're full of
Well, this is my first knee kicker,
Okay.
and I didn't leave it in that condition.
220 kilograms this is. Are we going to do a bit of like flooring trivia knowledge?
We could ask you your flooring knowledge,
I think this might be yours.
and you could write your answers on a postage note.
You can't beat a good tug. Take 5.
Ryan's just forgotten his lines there. It's non-scripted. Whose line is it anyway?